Hello, kids. This is Teacher Ed. Now, we will just have a review about our past lesson about health. Okay? So, let us see. Our last lesson about health is all about. Let me share you my screen. The topic of our last lesson was locomotor movements. Okay? In locomotor movements, again, you are moving from one place to another. Moving from one place to another. All right. Look, walking. Okay? In walking, I know you already know how to walk, but let me show you again. Walking like this. Walking. Okay? Walking. Next, running. Running. All right? Next, two-step walking. Okay? Two-step walking. Look. Teacher Ed will show you how to two-step walking. Okay, look. Two-step walking. 1, 2. Again, two-step walking. 1, 2. All right, very good. Next, hopping. In hopping, you just need to, lift your left hand left foot or right foot and then jump. Okay, like this, only one foot. Okay, hopping, jump, like that. Next, skipping. In skipping, you just need to, step forward, your right foot, and then jump. All right, with your left knee upward. Look. Ed will show you. 1, 2, jump. 1, 2, jump. Okay, again. 1, 2, jump. 1, 2, jump. All right. I know you already know the skipping, like this. Okay, climbing. I know you already know climbing. Climb. Okay, climb. And the next is crawling. You crawl. All right, crawling. Okay. Now, you will send a video, okay, showing each locomotor movement. Walking, running, two-step walking, hopping, skipping, climbing, and crawling. All right? Again, you will record a video. Okay? You'll record a video doing all of this locomotor movements. Okay? I will send the instruction online. That is our lesson tonight. Have a wonderful night. Bye-bye.